Hello, welcome back. In the last class, we learnt the project scope management. We looked at Introduction to Project Scope Management. Understanding project scope and scope creep. Defining project requirements and deliverables. Creating a work breakdown structure, WBS. Scope verification and change control processes. Tools for scope management. In today's class, we will be learning project planning and scheduling. Introduction to project planning and scheduling. Project planning and scheduling are crucial aspects of project management that help ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and according to specifications. Without proper planning, projects can experience delays, cost overruns, and inefficiencies that negatively impact their success. This lesson focuses on developing a project plan, creating schedules, defining dependencies, and using project management tools to ensure smooth execution. 1. Importance of project planning. Project planning is the foundation of project success. It involves defining project objectives, determining resources, identifying risks, and setting timelines. Why is project planning important? 1. Ensures clear objectives and expectations. 2. Helps in resource allocation, time, budget, personnel. 3. Identifies potential risks and mitigation strategies. 4. Provides a roadmap for execution and tracking progress. 5. Enhances communication among team members and stakeholders. Without planning, projects lack direction and control, leading to missed deadlines and wasted resources. Example: imagine a company wants to develop a new mobile app. Without a clear project plan, developers might work on unnecessary features, leading to delays and budget overruns. 2. Developing a project plan, objectives, deliverables, milestones. A project plan is a formal document that outlines objectives, the specific goals the project aims to achieve, deliverables, the tangible outputs or products from the project, milestones, key checkpoints that indicate progress. Steps to develop a project plan. 1. Define the project objectives. What is the purpose of the project? What problem does it solve? 2. Identify key deliverables. What tangible or intangible results must be produced? Examples: reports, software, designs, training manuals. 3. Establish milestones. Milestones are major checkpoints in the project lifecycle. Examples: completion of design, first prototype, final testing. 4. Identify risks and constraints. Assess potential obstacles and prepare mitigation strategies. 5. Assign roles and responsibilities. Who is responsible for each task? 6. Develop a communication plan. How will updates and reports be shared among stakeholders? 3. Creating a project schedule, Gantt Charts, critical path method, CPM, PERT. Project scheduling involves organizing project tasks into a timeline to ensure efficient execution. It helps teams understand what needs to be done, by whom, and by when. Scheduling techniques. Gantt Charts. A Gantt chart is a visual representation of a project schedule that shows tasks and their durations, task dependencies, progress tracking. It provides a clear timeline for activities and helps in monitoring deadlines. Example: a software development project Gantt chart might include UI/UX design, January 1st to January 15th backend development, January 16th to February 10th testing phase, February 11th to February 28th deployment, March 1st critical path method, CPM. CPM helps identify the longest sequence of dependent tasks that determines the minimum project duration. If any task on the critical path is delayed, the entire project gets delayed. Example: a construction project's critical path may involve 1. Site preparation. 2. Foundation work. 3. Framing. 4. Roofing. 5. Interior finishing. If foundation work is delayed, the rest of the project cannot proceed on time. Program evaluation and review technique, PERT. PERT is used for projects with uncertain task durations. It calculates expected completion time based on optimistic, fastest, most likely, and pessimistic, slowest, estimates. This method is useful for projects involving research, innovation, or new technology. 4. Defining dependencies and project timelines. A project consists of interdependent tasks where the start or completion of one task affects another. These dependencies must be managed carefully to prevent bottlenecks and delays. Types of task dependencies. Finish to start. FS. A task must finish before the next can start. Example. Testing begins only after development is complete. Start to start. SS. Two tasks must start at the same time. Example. Designing and content writing for a website can begin together. Finish to finish. FF. Two tasks must finish together. Example. Front-end and back-end integration must finish simultaneously. Start to finish. SF. A task must start before another can finish, rarely used. Example. In an event planning project. Venue booking must be completed before invitations are sent out. Marketing campaigns should run while event logistics are being set up. 5. Project management tools for scheduling. Microsoft Project, Trello, Asana. Several tools help manage project schedules, assign tasks, and track progress efficiently. Popular project scheduling tools: Microsoft Project, Advanced Scheduling and Resource Management Tool Trello, a visual task management tool using Kanban boards Asana. A flexible platform for task assignments and collaboration Monday.com, ideal for workflow automation and tracking. Using these tools helps teams stay organized, meet deadlines, and communicate effectively. Conclusion. Project planning and scheduling are essential for project success. A well-developed plan ensures that tasks are completed on time, dependencies are managed, and resources are utilized efficiently. Using techniques like Gantt Charts, CPM, and PERT helps in visualizing project timelines and identifying critical activities. Additionally, project management tools like Microsoft Project, Trello, and Asana streamline scheduling and collaboration. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.